Welcome to this technical guide on the MacBook A2992. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're facing a cracked screen on your MacBook A2992, you're not alone. This issue often occurs due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen. If left unfixed, it can lead to further damage and might affect the internal components, causing more expensive repairs down the line. To tackle this repair, you will need a few tools: a P5 pentalobe screwdriver, a T5 Torx screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. You may also need some adhesive strips to secure the new screen. First, ensure your MacBook is powered off. Place it on a flat surface and use the P5 pentalobe screwdriver to remove the screws from the bottom case. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the bottom case off using your spudger. Be cautious not to damage any internal components as you do this. Next, locate the display connector, which is typically situated near the hinge. You'll need to carefully disconnect it by lifting the connector up gently with your spudger. After that, use the T5 Torx screwdriver to remove the screws securing the display assembly. Once all screws are removed, use the suction cup to lift the screen away from the base. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old screen removed, you can now place the new screen in position. Ensure it aligns properly with the hinges and the connectors. Reconnect the display connector securely, then replace the screws with the T5 Torx screwdriver, making sure they are snug but not overly tight. Once everything is secured, carefully place the bottom case back on and reinsert the P5 screws to finish. Power on your MacBook to check that the new screen functions correctly and that there are no issues. To prevent this problem from occurring again, consider using a protective case or screen protector. Being mindful of where you place your device can also help avoid accidents. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.